Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall and reinstall Outlook in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This step is important because it allows your emails to load properly before we begin the uninstall process. Just give it a moment to sync everything up so all your data is current. Once your emails have loaded and everything looks good, we're ready to start the uninstall process. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Apps and Features, then hit Enter. This will take you directly to your system's Apps and Features settings page where you can manage all the software installed on your computer. You'll see a complete list of applications, but instead of scrolling through everything, look for the search bar at the top of this window. Type in Outlook and the search will filter the results to show only Outlook-related applications. From the search results, you'll spot the Microsoft Outlook icon. Click on it once and you'll immediately see the uninstall option appear right there. Simply click on Uninstall to remove the application from your system. This process ensures a clean removal of all Outlook files and settings from your computer. Now that Outlook has been uninstalled, it's time to download and reinstall it fresh. Press the Windows key again and this time type in Store to open the Microsoft Store. This is your hub for all official Microsoft software and applications. Once the store opens, you'll see various categories and featured apps displayed on the main page. To make things easier and save time, direct your attention to the top part of the Microsoft Store window where you'll find a search bar. Click on it and type in Outlook, then hit Enter to search. The store will now present you with search results showing Outlook and other apps with similar functionality, along with related Microsoft applications. Look through the list carefully and click on Outlook for Windows. This is the official version you want to reinstall. Clicking on it will redirect you to the app's detailed overview page. Here you can read through the full description, check out user ratings and reviews, and review additional information about system compatibility requirements. This is helpful to confirm the app will run smoothly on your Windows 11 system. Once you've reviewed everything and you're ready to proceed, scroll back up to the top of the page. You'll see an Install button prominently displayed. Click on it to begin downloading the application. The download will start immediately, and all you need to do is wait for it to complete. The installation process will begin automatically right after the download finishes. Just follow the installation wizard's prompts to complete the setup, and Outlook will be reinstalled on your computer with a fresh, clean installation. And that's it, you've successfully uninstalled and reinstalled Outlook in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.